Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where we bring your ideas to life. In today's video, I am going to design a sleek and professional ID card for your technology company. Whether you are a designer looking for inspiration or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. I will walk you through the step-by-step process for creating a design that's both functional and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you will learn how to craft an ID card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into it and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After create a page for an ID card design, go to the element and let's search for a blue gradient. From here we're going to take a blue gradient shapes. Let's take this triangular shape and flip it vertically, then flip it horizontally and place it on the right corner of the page and press Alt and copy the shapes and place it on the left corner of the page on the bottom side. Then let's go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this rectangle shape. Let's adjust the frame, make it smaller and adjust it on the middle. Then go to the element and search for a omen picture. Type professional omen and let's search the picture. Let's take this picture and adjust it on the middle of the frame and give it a border weight 0.5 and give it a color in gradient shade of blue. Then go to the element and let's search for a blue and white gradient. Let's take this knot. Let's take this gradient and replace to the background. Delete the right shape for now. This is how it looks. Now go to the element and search for shape. Let's take this rectangle shape and adjust it on the under the frame and give it a border and keep the border size in 0.5. Change the box color in white. Give the border color and then go to the text and take a text box and let's type the name. make it a uppercase. Then take another text bar or copy a text box and type graphic designer. Make it undercase and change the color in blue. Keep the graphic designer little bit in right side and go to the element and search for a line. Go to the element and take another line and keep the line weight 1 and adjust it with the graphic designer. Go to the position and keep the line position in 0. Change the color in blue. Change the font style of graphic designer. Keep it Poppins and go to the name, and for this it's also Poppins. Change the color of fonts. Now go to the white shape and take a text box and type the details. I copy paste the details, adjust it over the shape and keep the shape border corner round and keep the border transparency low. Now let's see how it is look. Now go to the element and search for a barcode. Here is the barcode and adjust it under the details box. Go to the element and search for the shape and take this rectangle shape. Change the color in white and adjust it behind the barcode. Now let's go to the second page of ID card, the back page, and copy the first page shape and adjust it on the left corner of the page. Go to the element and search for a shape. Take this shape and place it on the upper side of the page, and let's change the color. Change the color in this blue and dark blue shade, and change the style in middle liner. And for this, let's take our logo, Iris Creation Limited, and adjust it over the shape, and take a text box and type terms and condition, and make it uppercase and bold. Change the font in Poppins and change the color in blue. And take a text box and type the dummy text. Reduce the font size and make this paragraph in 2 paragraphs. And now go to the element and search for a bullet point. Let's take this bullet point and let's change the color in blue and adjust it with the each paragraph. For now, go to the element and search for a QR code. Let's take this QR code and adjust it on the right corner of the page. And after that, take a text box and type scan QR code for more details. Adjust it beside the QR code. Here it is a ID card design for a corporate office. If you need this kind of design or any other design solution, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Iris Creation Limited.